All right, guys. I'm starting right now, and I'm starting right now. Um, let's start the stream. Let's start the stream, guys. Let's start the stream. We're about 4 minutes to um, the new canoe. So, hello, thank you for this morning. Thank you for today. Bless your name. Also, comments to the stream guide and potatoes and bless out there in the name of Jesus. Okay. Today we have FOMC missing. So let's just dive right into our chat. And before I continue, let me quickly break down the trailer, please. Let me break down the trailer, please, and how it goes. So basically, this was the close of this 15 minutes. First of all, this was where I was supposed to get informed. This place was exactly the place I was supposed to get informed, but I couldn't enter here because price has already moved downward. So I did like when the next candle closed, this was when the next candle closed here. So I entered an early entry. I mean, I entered an early entry when price came back up for a bit of retracement. So my entry was like around here, and my stop loss was just above this level. So I quickly moved my stop to 10 people and break even almost to 10 people. So I cut out the trade when it was around here. And price actually moved 10 people, even from the place I called out the trade, like it moved 10 people too. So if you guys have been following me, you guys always know that once price moves 10 people, even without me calling it out, you guys should already know what to do once price gets to 10 people. Like once it gets to 10 people, you're supposed to know that you're supposed to move your stop loss to break even. Just get it used to, just get the trade to reach pay immediately. That's what you're supposed to do. So now let's go over to let's go over to let's go over to our trade currently. You can see now currently price is doing like a bit of fake out, season fake out structure. Price back in the zone and entry from here. You can see price already at 20p. The stop loss would have been like below the structure or below this zone. You hear me? So we still waiting for price to move up. But first of all, look for price to get to this range first before you like take your have to close your food CPU or something. But let's just do a proper breakdown analysis from the daily down to our foreign card. We can use that to go wherever I want to go. So this is good daily, and on the daily time frame you can see that price on the daily time frame you can see that price is the daily candle close bearish. You see the bearish structure. See the next candle has broken below the previous daily low, and you can see that this is our support level currently where price is retesting. You can see this is where the price is currently retesting. This is what we can see on gold. Now if you go to my 4 hours time frame, you can see the 4 hours, the previous 4 hours has no top break. So and the possibility of price retesting there. And sorry guys, looking at my left, this is also the structure where price is jetting off of. This is where price is jetting off of. You can see it right now. So if I go to my 1 hour, you can see that should probably hold on the 1 hour. That should be like see you can see that's like where the 1 hour candle flips. So let me scale down to the other side. So there's no looking at it from the 1 hour perspective, there's no levels there. So but I want to indicate that this is a level where price is likely to revert from. So let me just adjust this back to the downside. And if I go to my 30 minutes, you can see that is 30 minutes support below there. And if I go to my left again, it's nothing really precise. So let's just leave it like this. And I'm looking for opportunities for buys since the fake out is already playing out already. So I'm looking for opportunities. Let's say above this level, yeah, above this level. But I doubt I'll get opportunities there. So let us wait for this candle to close. We still have a good range, like a 40 pip range. So if price from here like close the way it close, and the next candle does like a weak rejection, like the next 15 minutes does like a weak rejection like this, push down to the downside like this, and like this, then I can look to like buy from the next candle for price to like push up this. Then I look to like buy from here. This is something like I also consider. I can also consider, but the price already closed. Like it's ending like the whole count is ending like in the whole count is ending like in 20 seconds. Let's just wait and see how it goes. Yes. Go the current closure. But let's see. Let's see. Let's wait, guys. Then for GJ, let's see GJ. GJ is breaking every structure. Just breaking every structure. So let's see GJ on the daily time frame on GJ. Okay, still includes above this level. This still includes above it. Let's remove everything first. Still includes above, but the current countdown has broken above. That's even broken above this level. So we can kind of anticipate if this is an impulsive move, we can kind of anticipate a bullish continuation for price to keep pushing upward. If that makes any sense. So if I go to my 4 hours time frame, 4 hours strong bullish above, you see a rejection level, so you can anticipate a buy opportunity on that level once price break above the structure. So let's mark up our structure on video. So this is where I'm looking for buys on video. 30 minutes and 15 minutes. So let's look for a strong bullish closure above the level, and you can anticipate the buy. So you can see a lot of weak rejection. Price is seriously failing to push up. You can see that this particular candle tried. This is a candle that created the high. You can see it tried, but price pushes back down. So we need to actually see the market closing above. So you like to see a strong bullish closure above the level. Then you can look for a retest. You can look to buy. This is what you can represent. Let's wait a minute. think I think this DJ trade will play out for a nice show. TJ, I just saw it and it was looking good. Anyway, let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's see what's okay. Okay, so TJ Gold is kind of jetting now, which I wanted to do, but let's see how it goes. Let's see how that goes. Mind you, there's a level here. So this probably what is making people jet. So let's see. I'll wait till you guys. Yeah. This was actually the trade breakout. Sales didn't play out, but breakout the I easily got like 40 people straight, stop loss, density. I never buys. I think I'll wait for price to actually break above. Wait for price to actually break above. Right. Might also see get to sell above there because this is also a level of rejection. So you can likely see like a bullish momentum to the outside, price break above. Then the next candle will like roll back into the zone. Testing this level as well. You get then I can look to actually sell the price. Really something that I can see and look for. Yeah. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Said good morning, good morning. Alright guys, I'm waiting to see how this 30 minutes close. I'm going to see how this candle close. Now for me to know what it does. So if gold should decide to close a bullish candle above this level like this, like this, if gold close this way on the 50 minutes above this level, then I get a bit of retest, then I can look to probably buy the price. I know the range is small, but with volume, I believe that the price might likely break above the zone. But that's only if you get a candle closing above the structure. But if you don't, then that's it. But if this candle end weak bear, then I look to sell it. Like weak bullish candle, like weak bull, then I look to sell it. But let's wait. We have about 7 more minutes, so we know exactly what we're going to do in 7 minutes. But basically, the candle is just ranging. That's what I can see. We're just basically in the range. The range. It's boring, eh? It's boring. But we just wait and see how price closes. Seven more minutes, guys. Then we know what we're going to do. Okay, you see the candle is flipping right now. But you can't do anything to enter it. You just have to wait. You just have to wait. So let's wait. So you see, if you guys rewind the video, you see I was checking out something. So if I've entered impulsively without waiting for closure above here, you can see that I would have been slapped now because I've taken a very beautiful L. So this is the point of always being patient and waiting for your structure totally to play out before you look to jump into any trade. You get me? So let's just wait, guys. So now price has created a low, so I think it's going to end above. So that's the thing we should look at now. Since we're getting a low, because the 15 minutes has no bottom wick, so price has created a bottom wick for this particular candle. So let's see if we're going to get a bullish closure above this level. It's going to be also above. Let's start the place again. I see. Here. Okay, let's wait and see how this closes. Then if you get that closure above, and looking at our left, this could be like a support level because this level where price bounced up before and pushed up. So it could be that price is also creating that same level for price to actually push above. So let's just wait 4 minutes and see how this closes. Then we'll know exactly how we're going to react off it. If we're looking for sells or looking for buys, because let's just wait. 3 more minutes, guys. 3 more minutes for this count to close. So if it's going to close the way I expect it to close, let me start getting my things ready for the trade. Two more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. If 30 minutes is bullish, 1 hour is bullish, the 50 minutes is bullish, but it doesn't decide if it goes above or not. But let's wait. You have 2 more minutes, guys. So 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute, and price is looking like it doesn't want to go the upside. So that's what it is. So now gold is closing below this level. Below this level, 5 minutes is flipping bearish below this level as well. Let's see it's below this level. So we have 2 seconds, and I think we're going to get to sell. See price, only price push up a bit, then we'll look to sell it. So that's all. Hopefully it has a small projection. So let's wait for that. Need price push up first. What I'm looking for. This is circular terms. That's the trade, guys. That's the trade. So look at triggered in, guys. We're in. Look at triggered in on this trade. Look at triggered in, and it's moving crazy. Already on 10 pip, guys. Moves up to break even. Wow, this is fast. 10 pips. Profit. This is like the fastest trade. It's like fastest trade. That was the first one, guys, and I didn't close anything, but I think price really go close to my BE. That was a very fast one. That was a very fast one, guys. And it just thumbs down, and that's it. That's it. That's it, guys. So what happened is that I have two positions running. One has got stopped at BE. You see, I'm going to send to the group now. The one that got stopped at BE, but I have another position that I left very small, very very small position, like 0.10. If I'm to lose, I'm losing like $20 of it. So I just want to see if how that one will play out. You understand? Because I'm trying to test something instead of moving stock to break even. I might leave TP or something. I want to use like a small capital to test that out first. So let's see if this will play out or it's not at all. So that's the whole idea of it. So this is crazy. Two break even today. Two break even trades today. This is actually really crazy. Really crazy, guys. Really crazy. But let's see how this plays out, guys. Let's see how this plays out. At least it's pushed down, fill up the weak rejection, follow the whole trend to the downside. You get it? This is the whole idea. Played out well. Actually played out really well. This is a bearish continuation setup. I feel like the price will actually see push down. Price will see actually push down. Despite the whole stuff is going, I feel like it's going to push down. So let's see. Okay, guys. I think this is about time we end the stream. So I've been in the stream here. Initially, I wanted my entry to be around this place, but price pushed down immediately. Assuming it was here, we would have gotten 20 people, and I would have easily closed at 20. But price didn't do that. Price instead, I entered up this place and we got around 16 in this trade. But like I said, this trade is going to play out. Like I have like a very strong assurance that this trade they play out. But I'm not telling you to go and put all your risks in the table and just do that based on, because the main trade has already stopped us as base. You can see that already moved before coming back up. So, and if you notice, we are actually in the range. So I'm advising you not to even bother about it since we got our attempts and price over. But based on my analysis and back testing I used to do, this has a very strong chances of winning. But that being said, the trade has already moved down. This was the win, so I felt like this was the win of the 15 minutes here. We actually got a decent 20 move on this trade, so this is actually a win. So whatever else is doing, I don't know, but I've told you that this is a decent trade and you're really going to. So that being said, I think this is where I'm going to jump. And we'll see you guys tomorrow same time. I don't know, this stream was a bit dull. The weather too has been really messy of recent, but that's it. So see you guys tomorrow same time tomorrow. Love you guys. See you soon tomorrow. Peace out. One love. Stay blessed.